Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be trying out the Clean Brow Liner from Covergirl. This is a 1mm nano pencil, ultra fine tip for hair-like strokes to define the brows. So if you guys would like to see how this eyebrow pencil performs, then just keep watching. All right, so usually I am using the NYX, the NYX brow pen. It is the Lift and Snatch. I love it. I've been using that for years and I ran out, and when I was at Walmart I saw this new brow product from Covergirl, so I thought I would try it out because why not? I love their clean line, their clean fresh line. So yeah, I got this in the shade Blonde. I should have been filming this earlier. Now I feel like I'm in a rush, but I was putting more highlights in my hair and toning my hair, and it just took a while. And now here we are, and oh my goodness, look how thin this is. How do you even make it come up? Oh, you just gotta turn it a bit. Okay, so it's not really angled off too much, but just being that thin, I feel like, you know, when you have the angled brow pencils or the finer tip ones that are in a point, and like once you start using it, it just flattens off. This will probably stay like ultra small. So I'm just gonna brush up my hairs, but I also feel like this won't last that long. Like, you're gonna be using a lot of products. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna go in at the front where I usually like to start, and oh yes, oh my. So the pencil feels sharper, like it doesn't feel super smooth, which is good because it's not gonna just be emollient and just kind of fade away. So you can keep layering, but yes, my goodness. Definitely ultra fine. And just go in and fill it. Oh, wow. Let's try on the out. On the end of the brow. And kind of as I'm using it, it's just creating its own smaller tip anyways, because it was like flattened off. And I kind of just filled it in like a normal brow, but because it's so thin, like it's not looking too harsh, and it still looks really hair-like strokes. Because really, I only really care about the hair-like strokes right at the front of my brow anyways. Oh, this is so good. I think the only thing about this is it's not gonna last that long. There's probably not a lot of product in here. Okay, I think that is the quickest that I have ever done my brows. Literally took me like 3 minutes, no other products used, just the Clean Fresh Nano Brow. This is definitely worth the try. It was $9.97 on the Walmart website, and I think it was like 16 something at Shoppers. They had 6 colors online ranging from blonde to dark or black brown, so you will totally find your shade. I think there's like an auburn, a soft brown. The blonde is like the perfect color. I love that it is a firmer pencil. Like I said, it's not too emollient that it's just going to kind of break down. Like you can just kind of build it up. It's not super pigmented, but buildable. So really cool product. Love like how petite it is, and like I said, once you started using it, it was a flatter top, but it's angling off now, so you won't lose that really precise pencil that you want for the hair-like strokes. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video trying out the Covergirl Clean Fresh Nano Brow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys again in my next video.